Good morning, everybody. AmpRepairGuy.com, 203-892-4119. The current time is 4:30 a.m. and I am starting work. Okay, so I have 4 new amps on the bench. I have more upstairs, but I'm waiting on a payment for that 5th one. I have 3 amps in back of me. I'm also waiting for payments on. So what I did here is I wrote down the customer's contact info on each one of my, I have a business card attached to each one, my business card. And since I have 2 Heathkit Sb-220s, when I take the panels off, when I take the outer shell off and the internal panels, I'll put a mark on them so I know which amp they belong to. I have another tl-922 there that just came in also. That's not my personal one, that's a customer's amp. The Al-811h down there, that's finished. Like I said, I have another, at least 1 more, if not 2 more upstairs. Everything's packed in boxes in my living area up there. I don't have enough room down here, so they're safe up there until they come down here. This one's missing a foot. So, okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll pull the covers off, and I will show the inside of the 4, and I will order whatever parts I need. It's the first step. So I get everything on its way, and if I have everything to work on one, I'll get right on it. And I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back. See you soon. Okay, I'm back here. I'm going to give you a quick rundown on the process I have here. So the 4 amplifiers are apart. I look everything over carefully and figure out what needs to be done. You know, there still can be some surprises once I put the tubes in and test them for RF, but I can't just stick a set of tubes in until the obvious problems have been fixed and any possible stability issues have been taken care of. Otherwise, you can end up destroying a set of tubes. So this one is actually missing the filament transformer. He didn't tell me that it was missing the filament transformer before he sent it. It has some modifications here. One to slow the fan down. The fan is actually seized. Grids are not grounded. So I do everything I normally do. The bias mod has not been done. So air variables look okay. Meters are okay. Band switch is okay. Has the stock metering board, stock filter cap board. Okay, so with this, SO239s are okay. So Ameritron Al-811h. Grids are not grounded. Plate choke is damaged. Someone twisted the wire together, soldered it. I would change the plate choke. I would put the newer parasitic suppressor board in. These caps broke off during shipping. There's a cold solder joint right there. You can see them down there. I'd add the string of diodes. Ground the grids, obviously. Has the old black resistors. So those should be good. Looks like someone added an LED strip which came undone. Okay, so our variable also looks okay. SO239s are okay. So now we have a Heathkit Sb-221. Nice and stock on the bottom. Grids are not grounded. I ground the grids. They do all the mods I normally do. Air variables look okay. He retapped the coil, I think he said, for 10 meters. So I think he said he bypassed the filter here, which stops it from working on 10 meters. So I have to check that all out. Also put the metering board in from Harbach, filter cap board in from Harbach. Already checked the filament transformer. The winding is okay. The winding that powers the relay. I would do the self-bias modification since it has not been done. Fan is okay. It was nice and quiet. I do all the other stuff I normally do. Band switch is okay. Okay, so now we have this needs a SO239 on the output. So that has very little grip. Okay, so Kenwood tl-922a. The low tuner shot, some of the plates were arcing and it's scraping. It's hard to show on camera, but plate tune side's okay. He added a glitch resistor in this compartment. Also added caps in parallel with the cap at the base of the plate choke. Heavily modified this thing because of that. The Contacts on the plate that add padding capacitance for the plate tune air variable, the C1 cap, are destroyed on the band switch. Hard to see, it's very dusty. Added a vacuum relay over here, and another small relay down there. So one's for the output, one's for the input switching. Put a fuse in series over here. Grounded the grids. Added a bunch of stuff over here. Board back there, I don't even know what that is. I didn't even take the cover off back there, so things got a lot of work, got a lot of stuff done to it. So, alright, so that's that. It's still early here. I have to wait a little while before I can contact my customers, but I will pull another amp out of the box and get to work on. You know, I'm sure I have one upstairs that I can get to work on today. So all of these require parts. Nothing I can do right now until I talk to my customers. Okay, so that's about it. Thanks for watching. AmpRepairGuy.com, 203-892-4119. Please like, share, and subscribe. Here's my business card. So, lots of reviews on my site, lots of pictures, lots of cool stuff. So, check it out. AmpRepairGuy.com. Catch you later. 73.